Hello friends, myself Damini Rameshwar Kumote from Dhotebandhu Science College in Gondia, Department of Botany. Now we are celebrate World Fungus Day. I would like to aware people about the fungal of pathogen in human. So I discuss about the aspergillosis, humans, lungs fungal infection, causes, treated, prevent and control of aspergillosis. Aspergillosis of infections. Aspergillosis is an infection caused by Aspergillus, common mold type of fungus. Aspergillus lives in soil, plants, and rotting material. It can also be found in the dust in home, carpeting, heating, and air conducting duct. Aspergillosis is a saprophytic fungus. Saprophytics means a dead type of fungus. What causes of aspergillosis? Aspergillosis enter the body, breathe in the fungal spore seeds. Second is this fungus is commonly found in lungs and sinus. Third is the having a weak immune systems or chronic lungs disease allows the aspergillosis to grow, invade lungs and spread throughout the body. Symptoms. There are many different types of aspergillosis symptoms. First is the hypersensitivity, pneumonitis, and second is the ABPA, allergic bronchopulmonary aspergillosis, and third is the invasive aspergillosis. So I discuss about the hypersensitivity pneumonitis. It is the allergic reaction to the fungus in the lungs. Symptoms can last for a week or month. For example, shortness of breath, coughing, and second is the ABPA. It is the asthma-like illness. Symptoms do not improve with the usual asthma treatment and include the wheezing and shortness breath, brown dark of mucus, and third is the invasive aspergillosis. It is the rapidly spreading and potentially life threatening illness. Symptoms of invasive aspergillosis, just like a chest pain, that is the worst with deep breathing, difficult breathing, coughing of blood which can be caused by ball of fungus that form in the lungs. It is called the aspergilloma. How is the aspergillosis treated? First is the if you develop symptoms, aspergillosis may need treatment with an antifungal drug for either the brief or long time. Second is the if you have aspergilloma, we may need the surgery to remove the fungal ball because the drug not very effective in treating. Third is the surgery may also recommended because the infection does not improve with the drug. Aspergillosis prevent. It is the difficult to avoid being exposed to aspergillus if immune system is weak. You should take specially precautions. For example, avoid the dusty areas or a least wears N95 masks. What are the control of aspergillosis? Treatment options include oral corticosteroids, antifungal medications, and surgery. Functions of aspergillus. Aspergillus is a saprophytic fungus that play an essential role recycling environmental carbon and nitrogen. It is figure in a chest x-ray. So a figure is the pleural cavity fungal ball caused by aspergillus, and second is the decortications figure, and third is the radiological evolution in discharge. Thank you so much.